Hey everyone, welcome to Little Six Industries, your custom printing partner based in Maricopa, Arizona. Today we're diving into a hot topic. What is DTF printing and why should you choose it for your next project? Let's get into it. What is DTF printing? DTF stands for direct-to-film printing. It's a process where your design is printed onto a special film coated with adhesive powder, then heat pressed onto your fabric. This allows for bright, full-color designs with amazing detail, no weeding, no cutting vinyl, and no color limitations. Why choose DTF over other methods? Here's why creators love DTF. It works on cotton, poly, blends, and even dark fabrics. You get vibrant colors and smooth edges, no cracking or fading. It's perfect for small runs or complex designs where screen printing falls short. And best of all, it saves time and cuts waste. Just upload your design and press. It's that easy. What makes Little Six DTF sheets different? At Little Six Industries, our DTF Transfer Gang Sheets are printed with precision and pro-level materials. We offer sizes from 22x24 to 22x120 inches, giving you maximum flexibility to fill your sheet however you'd like. Ready to level up your apparel game? Visit the link below to build your gang sheet and experience the Little Six difference. DTF done right, fast, clean, and built for creators like you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more custom printing tips from Little Six Industries. See you in the next video. Little Six, the brand behind your brand.